Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to channel Gadget. Stop scrolling me to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The smartphone that's about to redefine everything you know about mobile technology. Whether you are a photographer or multitasking pro or someone who just loves, the latest tech, this device has something for you. So let's go. First up, talk about the design. Sleek, futuristic and unbelievably premium. The S25 Ultra is built with a ceramic body and titanium edges, making it not only durable but also head turner. And the display, a tuning 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED X2 panel with refresh rate of 120Hz. Scrolling, gaming or watching your favorite Netflix show is better smooth. Now for all you photography lovers, the S25 Ultra is a game changer. Featuring Samsung AI ProVisual value engine and a 200MP main camera, this phone captures in hand detail. Low light? No problem. The new nightography mode ensures clear and vibrant shoots even in the dark. And for video enthusiasts, it shoots in 8K HDR10 plus making your content cinema worthy. Another the Exynos 2500 chipsets or Snapdragon 4 USA models. Paired with 16GB power this best. Whether you are multitasking with heavy apps or gaming at max setting, the S25 Ultra doesn't break its sweat. Plus 1TB storage you will never worry about running out of space. And what good is all this power without a battery to back it up? The 500,000 battery lasts all day, even with a heavy use and if you are in a rush. The 65W super fast charging gets you from 0 to 50% in just 20 minutes. Oh, and wireless charging, it's got that too, with reverse charging for your gadget. Running on UI 6.0 based on Android 50, the S25 Ultra offers a customizable and user-friendly experience. And yes, it supports Wi-Fi 7 and 5G ultra wideband, so you are always connected at blazing speeds. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just a phone, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Come with jaw-dropping camera, it's a powerhouse performance. This device is worth every penny. Ready to elevate your smartphone game? Let us know in the comments if the S25 Ultra is our wish list. The future of smartphone is here and it starts with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Thanks for watching our video and don't forget to like and if you want to more gadget reviews and updates so subscribe and hit the bell icon for more honest gadget videos.